Now I will explain the structure of binary number system. Structure of binary number system. Binary number system. Binary number system is a positional number system. Actually, it is a positional number system. Each position represents a power of 2. That will explain now. Positional number system. Each position represents a power of 2. How I will explain? Represents a power of 2. I will explain with some example. So example 1, 1011. 1 and zeros are binary digits. So we will convert binary number into decimal so that you can understand how each position represents a power of 2. So convert binary into decimal. 1 into 2 cube plus 0 into 2 square plus 1 into 2 power 1 plus 1 into 2 power 0. Actually, what we need to do here is we need to consider the digits from right to left. As I said earlier, each digit represents a power of 0. So we need to start from 2 power 0, 2 power 1 and up to so on. So here we have rightmost digit 1. So for that 1 into 2 power 0, and next to that one is again 1. So for that 1 into 2 power 1. Third digit from right is 0. For that 0 into 2 square, and last digit is 1 from right. So for that 1 into 2 cube. So we will simplify this equation. 1 into 2 cube 8 plus 0 into 2 square, 0 into 4 0 plus 1 into 2 power 1 2 plus 1 into 2 power is 0 is nothing but 1. So 1 into 1 1. So what we will get? 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 1 11. So this is in decimal form. So I hope you understand how to convert binary number into decimal number. Now I will explain reverse of this one. Conversion of decimal into binary. Example 2. We will take 13. So convert decimal number into binary. So for this we have to divide. Convert decimal number into binary number, we need to divide only with 2 only. 2 6 are, what we will get? 12. So quotient we have to write down. This one quotient. So 2 6 are 12. Remainder 1. So remainder we need to write here right side. And after that again we will take 2 table. So how many times we will get? 6. 2 3s are 6. So 2 3s are 6. And remainder of this one 6 minus 6 0. And again 2 table. 2 ones are 2. The remainder of this one 3 minus 2 1. In 2 table 1 will not come. So for such case we need to take 0 only. 2 zeros 0. And remainder of this one 1 minus 0 1. We need to take numbers from bottom to top. So now you will write 13 is equals to 1101. I hope you understand how to convert binary number into decimal number and from decimal number into binary number. Or if you need more examples to get a better idea, or if you have any doubt, so please let me know in the comment section so that I'll make a dedicated video to clear all your doubts. Thank you. We'll meet in the next class.